I'd like to tell you the long, sad story of Lucy the goose. When we first moved to my house here, we decided to get chickens, and we thought we'd try free ranging them at first, but they kept getting eaten by things. So we've been trying different things to protect the chickens other than a dog. I don't want to get a dog, and I don't want to build a chicken prison for the chickens. So we thought we would try a few different things, and a goose was one idea. So I picked up this baby goose, this goose
I'd like to
gosling,
introduce you to somebody. This is
and there she
Lucy.
is.
Lucy Goosey. She's our
Now
little goose.
I didn't know this, but geese
I'm
are
handling her a lot because geese are mean
insanely
and I
cuddly.
want her to be sweet.
Um, like
And she's going
crazy
to help
cuddly.
protect our
Uh,
chicken.
she just wanted to snuggle me and cuddle me all the time, and she followed me everywhere. I named her Lucy, and I started posting videos of her on TikTok. Something else she did is she just ran
Lucy
after me no
Goose.
matter where I went.
Oh my
Now,
god, it's so adorable.
the goal here was to have her with the chickens. So you can
Lucy the
see,
Goose, it's her job to protect the chickens,
I
but I
bought her
also
to
want her to
protect the
bond to me
chickens,
um, so she won't be
but she
vicious
really
and
wanted
mean
to
to
be with
me.
me most of the
But now
time.
I have a slight problem, and that is
You see her there
she
trying
just
to
wants
get
to be
out
with
to me
me.
instead of being with the chickens.
She doesn't care about the chickens.
This is Ray. Ray needs attention.
Lucy, go
Look
hang
at
with the
that sweet
chickens.
little goose. Wanted to be with me
I don't
instead of
really
the
know what to do
chickens.
about that, but she's adorable.
She even got to where she would come when I
The
called
little
her.
pen is a mess here.
Watch
Ultimately,
this.
about to escape too. They're getting big. But this is cute. Watch this. Lucy, Lucy goes. Hey, baby.
Oh my goodness, she was so
Hey.
adorable.
Y'all, I can't handle this. Just listen to these little feet.
So I noticed you can hear those little feet slapping on the hardwood. I noticed early on that it was adorable when she would follow me around inside just to hear those little feet slapping around on the floor. And we'll come back to that.
We've got some flooding, which means we have this big puddle on our property. And I brought Lucy down to it, and it's her first time playing in a puddle, and she's having so much fun. Look at this.
So, being a waterfowl, I thought she would like the water, so I started bringing her to puddles.
She's not going in
We
and
have big
swimming.
puddles.
She's
We also
just
have a
kind
river.
of feeding right here at the edge and really having fun with it. And we have a full river on our property, but it's just too
And she
high
liked
and
the
the
puddles,
current's too strong and she'll just get swept
um,
away. So this
but
is what
she
she has to
never
play
like
with for
hopped in
now.
and swam.
And she's enjoying it. As of right now, Lucy is being super sweet and good at following me around when I walk.
She followed me everywhere. She wanted to be with me. She didn't want to
She's
be with
little
the
though,
chickens.
so I have to give her lots of breaks because she wears out quickly.
She was so stinking cute. I couldn't say no. But she always
But it's
wanted to
super
be
cute to be able to walk around and just have her
with me.
follow me. Modifications, we did it.
I
She's
bought a
wearing a
diaper for
diaper.
her so she could come into the
Takes a little
house
while to get
more
used
and
to it,
hang
so
out.
she's
You
gonna
can see
flop
her
around a bit at first.
learning about the
Okay,
diaper
Janet.
here. That was her first time wearing
And
it.
that's normal.
She struggled
She
with
hates
it a
it.
bit.
She'll get used to it.
And she would just crash out on me and sleep and then get up and wander and then come back and sleep. And it was so adorable. My God, I love this thing. Now, this next video, I posted this on
Let's
TikTok
compare
and
the
it blew
sound
up.
of her little flipper flopper feet on different surfaces.
I hope you all can hear that.
Which one's your favorite?
That video got 18 million views on TikTok. Now, if you're following along and you want more, there are so many more videos on TikTok. These are nowhere near all the videos. So I kept taking her down to these puddles pretty much daily, to give her a chance to. She's a waterfowl. I thought she would want to swim, but all she did was filter fed at the edges. But she loved that, so I kept taking her down. Look at her, she's so cute. And we would do like
She
this little
doesn't always
walk
follow.
down
Sometimes
there,
she leads whenever we're
along
on
with
a
the
path
cat.
and she
A
knows
lot of
where
the
we're
times,
going.
that's
And
Faye.
sometimes the cat joins us too. Hey, Faye.
And we would
Where you want to go?
walk
You want
down
to go to the
there, and she
pond or
would
the
play
river?
at the puddle. You can see she's getting a little bit bigger. She was
Have our
with the
little
chickens,
morning check-in with the goose and the chickens.
but
It
she
has
always
been
wanted to be
storming
with
like
me.
crazy out here. Y'all, Lucy is growing so fast.
Look at
Remember a
that.
week ago whenever I got her that little diaper and it was too big and I had to like tie it in knots to be able to get it to stay on her? Well, now it's too small. It's too small now. I couldn't fit this on her if I
She
tried.
outgrew her diapers. I had
Like,
to buy
look
new
how
ones.
huge she is now.
She
She's
got
big
used to
enough
coming
to
in and out of
follow
the
me right into
house.
the house, but I still need diapers.
She would just follow me in, and then I'd throw a diaper on her, and she'd sit next to me on the sofa. The dogs didn't care. Cats didn't care.
She's at an awkward stage where her feathers are just starting to grow in. You can kind
With
of
those
see
feathers
those
growing in.
bright
She's still just a baby.
white spots.
That. So I started taking her down to the river itself at some point,
Come here, babe.
and she would hang out on the shore and like
You can do it.
feed and
You can do it.
maybe kind of put her feet
Come here,
in,
babe.
but she didn't really seem interested in swimming, which was kind of a surprise.
Come here, babe. Come here. We're not quite swimming, but we're in
I
the
could kind of
water.
put her in, and she'd get a little excited about it, but she mostly just wanted to get back out. What was really cute, though,
Good
is sometimes she
girl.
would get the zoomies.
Wet
Like, you'd put her
girl.
in, and she would, like, start diving under and going back and forth.
Oh, oh, zoomies. She got the zoomies. Are you having fun, babe? Oh,
But
you're
those were very
soaked. I'm gonna
short-lived,
have to dry you off.
and it was
Be
only in
careful
very
walking. It
shallow
drops off
water.
here, and I'm in clothes.
I mean, like, right behind me there, the water goes up to my waist.
Come here, Luce.
She was not interested.
Come here, babe. I think her feathers
I just
are
wanted
doing
to throw
better.
this one in there so
Someone
you
else
could see
mentioned that
her
their
adult
duck
diaper.
did the same thing, and it looks like it's just molting. I don't think she's being pecked.
So here she is with the zoomies again, maybe, or just bathing.
Come here, Luce.
Yeah, the zoomies. Oh, she's so cute.
What
You can see she's staying in the shallow.
You're getting the zoomies. Well, you're splashing me now, babe.
This was at the beginning of summer. The water was still pretty cold. But she was growing. She was growing very quick.
Look
Look how big she is here.
now, Lucy. You're a giant. You're a
And she really liked
giant.
to stand on me and cuddle with
Every
me.
day you grow like an inch. You're
She was
giant.
getting her real feathers in, and
Yes,
she was
yeah.
still chirping. She didn't start honking yet.
Gotten so big. Ow! That's my eye.
She would come up and
No, my beard's okay.
pinch
but
and
not
pull at my
eyeball.
beard hairs. Kind of like she was
You wanna
grooming
comb my
me.
beard for me?
So sweet. And then she'd lay down up against me.
Baby.
Oh, oh, what a good summer.
You want more? Here. Oh,
She would hang out on our deck with us. She should have been with the chickens this whole time, but I would be outside and I could see her just staring at me at the fence. So, I mean, who wouldn't let
You're
the
getting
goose
so
come hang
big.
out with them? But you can
That
see
Lucy
here,
returns to her home with the goats and chickens.
you can see how excited she
We're
gets to
coming,
go
guys.
back to the goats and the chickens. See how she speeds up. She's excited to go back home. And that was kind of a view of the future
Yeah.
because
All right. Here we go.
not too long after this, she started
Everybody
not
back
wanting
up.
to leave them at all. You'll
Before
see what I mean.
swim. Say hi, Luce. Come on, babe.
So I
It's
was
swim
still taking
time.
her down to the river all the time. Here
gonna
she's
get
pretty
swim a
much
little
full
bit?
grown.
Come on.
And she was having fun coming down to the river with me at this
Coming out here,
point. She was
Faye?
still enjoying it.
I don't think so.
But even full
Come
grown,
on.
she would not hop in and swim around. She had no interest
Come
in
on out here.
swimming, really. She just wanted to wade around and
Come
then she'd,
on. I know you want
bathe and
to.
get the zoomies, but that was about it.
Lucy's little baby honks are coming in. They're so cute.
Here she is hanging out with the chickens some more, hiding from the hawks.
Your voice is cracking, Luce. It's almost a honk.
I was
Let's do a
determined to
real
get
swim
this
today.
goose swimming,
Come on
so
out.
I went out in the water once it was warm
Come on
enough,
out, babe.
and I would call her, and she would follow
The
me.
water's a little chilly, but it's good. Yeah, come on out. We're swimming, babe.
She really wasn't happy about it.
Come
See,
on.
she always wanted to go back to the shore. Oh, look at her swimming to me. Now, if you've never
You
touched a
can
goose,
do
they're
it.
so soft.
Come here,
So
Lucy.
soft. Goose feathers are
Come
just
here.
the softest thing in the universe.
Come on out. Come here. Lucy, girl. Come here, babe. You're doing it. Come here. Come here. Oh, did something touch you? And she's done. All right, we
Now,
reached
eventually,
somewhat of a compromise.
I would sit her on my lap,
She's
and then I would just scoot out
standing
into the
on me.
deep water.
So that counts, right? As being in the deep water? Does that count, Lucy?
Or I'd float on my back, and she'd sit on my belly.
Just chilling on my knees. She doesn't want to go in deep, but I mean, I guess take what you can get, right? If I let her go and she kind of floats away, she comes right back. I don't know if she wants me, but at least she feels safe with me. So we're doing it. Swimming with Lucy. She really likes to have something under her feet, and the camera kind of spooks her a little bit.
So we did this for weeks. Oh, here's a little bonus footage. I'm gonna have to mute that so I don't get demonetized. But just some bonus footage of her being beautiful, shaking off. And then this was a fun game we played for a while.
Let's see if we can get this. Ready?
I'd give her a toss and she'd swim back to me.
We'll do that again. Oh, goodness.
Reminded me of having kids again, babies. So she started acting as we would walk down to the water, she would stop and just go back to the chickens more and more. And then she started acting a little bit more standoffish, where the only time she would come near me is if I was feeding her.
Go, baby, go.
Um,
Oh, goodness.
so these
Oh,
were some of the last
goodness.
times that she was still
Oh.
like really willing to get snuggled on. And after that, she really started backing
All
off.
right, Lucy.
And the only way I could really get affection from her
Lucy,
is
come
if
get
I
treats.
brought handfuls of peas, and
Hurry up
she'd
before
still
the
be
chickens and
really
the goats
wary
come.
of me as she was becoming an adult. She loved the peas, though. That was a good piece of bribery. But she just wasn't cuddly anymore.
So Lucy is really skeptical of me. If I don't feed her every day from my hand, she won't even come up and eat from my hand initially. I have to sit for a long time and get her to. But she'll still do this. If I sit down for a while, she'll come lay down next to me. I don't know if she's keeping an eye on me or is comforted by my presence. I don't know. But as soon as I stand up, she'll take off. I can't touch her. Isn't that right? Would you let me pet you, babe? Would you let me pet you? No.
See, she wouldn't let me pet her
No
anymore.
pets.
But then she started laying
We have
eggs.
to feed you more. Lucy laid her first egg. I heard the goats making weird noises and staring at the goat shed. And let me go show you what geese do when they lay their egg. They get unpleasant. Okay, here we go into the goat shed.
That's the old goat shed.
Lucy's
It's kind of falling apart.
Hey, Lucy.
Yeah, an angry goose. And there's her eggs. She laid eggs for months. They were great. Great eggs.
Goose, but from what I understand, once you... Okay, yes, Lucy definitely loves the babies. She's protecting
Then we got
them.
our chickens all got
Here's
eaten.
what I mean by she's
She didn't do her job guarding them.
This is proof
And
that
we
Lucy
rescued a
loves the
couple
babies.
chickens from a friend, or adopted a
Lucy
couple
over
chickens
there.
from a
See
friend.
Lucy. Now
And
watch
Lucy
this as I
fell in
walk
love
up
with
to
these
her.
two baby
You see
chickens
the babies
and
just
didn't
past
want
her?
me
Now
anywhere
watch
near
this.
them. Here she is telling me to back off.
Yeah.
And if you follow my stuff now, that red one there
protect them from
is
me?
Chicken, who's still here today. It's the only chicken I have right now.
Yeah, that's a good
I've
girl.
got more
You
on the way,
protect 'em.
but that's
Thank you,
Chicken
Lucy.
when she was a baby.
You keep them safe.
And both Lucy and the black one, unfortunately,
All right, bye-bye,
are
Lucy.
gone.
You be good. We're getting ready to take the swimming
This
pool
was
apart for the
Lucy's
year,
last
and we thought
video.
maybe we would
We
see
were
if
taking
Lucy
this
wants to take
swimming
a
pool
swim in it.
apart, and I thought Lucy would enjoy a swim in
I
it.
suspect she's gonna hate it. She's gonna jump out and try to run all the way back over to the chickens and goats. We'll see. All right, Lucy, what do you think? You want to
I
go check
caught
out the
her.
swimming pool?
She didn't really want to go, but I caught her
Swimming deck,
and put her in.
Yes.
And I can't really say that she enjoyed it. I mean, she didn't seem to hate it. She could have jumped out. But she also would have preferred to have been with her chickens and goats. She thought she was a goat, I think. See, she kind of wanted out, and then she gave up and swam around a little bit. Now, my feelings weren't too hurt that she didn't want to be cuddly anymore. She was supposed to be there to protect the chickens. But after this, unfortunately, I did find her one day. She had been eaten by some local wildlife, probably a raccoon or fox or coyote or something. Unfortunately, the goats didn't stop it. So she got eaten. Made me really sad. I miss her. Our time in the river was pretty magical. So, if you want more videos of Lucy, go check out my TikTok. I posted. This was probably about 30 videos. I probably posted 100 or more videos of Lucy through the time I had her.
You can do it.
She was a great pet. I can't recommend a goose enough. A goose is a fantastic pet. People bash on geese for being mean all the time, but she was delightful and so beautiful. So anyway, that's the story of Lucy, the TikTok sensation. 18 million views on one video, seen around the world. She was a good friend for a while.
Well, she didn't freak out like I thought she would, but she's just constantly kind of looking for a way out. So I'm gonna let her go.
All right. That's enough of that. I miss her. I'll see you on the next video.